Hello students, how are you all? After 2 days I am posting a video for you, and in today's video the topic will be highest common factor. So what is highest common factor? As the term says that the factor which the number which is highest amongst all the factors and the number which is common amongst all the factors. Now, in order to make you understand what is highest common factor or HCF, I am going to take some examples. With the help of examples, it will be easier for you to understand what is HCF. What exactly is HCF? So, let's take example. So, example number 1 which I am going to take is find out the HCF of 12 and 36. So, what you have to do, this is method 1. In method 1, this is method 1. Firstly, I will teach you the method 1, then method 2. Now, factors of 12, you will write all the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now, factors of 36, you will write all the factors of 36 1, 2, 3, then 4, 6, 9 and then 12, right? So these are the factors of 36. Now what you have to do, you have to check all the factors of 12 and all the factors of 36. Now you have to compare. अब दोनों में आपको देखना है कि कौन सा ऐसा नंबर है जो इसमें भी है, इनके फैक्टर्स में भी है और इनके फैक्टर्स में भी है, और वो नंबर सबसे क्या होना चाहिए, हाईएस्ट. It should be highest. So as you all can see that 12 is the highest and it is common in both the numbers. So this will be called the HCF of 12 and 36. So the highest common factor of 12 and 36 is 12. Let's take some more examples in order to make the picture more clear. So I am taking example 25 and then 30, right? Now the factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25, right? Now come to the factors of 30, 1, 2, 15, 6, 5. Can you find any other factor of 30? Yes, 30 is also the factor of 30, right? Now what you have to do? You have to check which factor is common in both and highest also. ऐसे तो 1 और 1 भी इसमें common था, 2 भी था, 3 भी था, 4 भी था, 6 भी था. But we have to find out for the highest one. So highest one was 12. Now here I can see that 1 is common, but it is not the highest. Now one number is also common, that is 5. 5 is common here also and 5 is common here also. So we all can see that 5 is the highest common factor of 25 and 30. So this was method 1. Now I will be explaining you this by method 2. That second method will be of prime factorization. Which method? Prime factorization method. I have already explained you about the prime factorization method. The prime factorization method means you have to divide the number, okay? In prime factorization method, you have to find out the prime factors. This is a method of expressing a number as a product of prime numbers. जैसे कि अगर आप बात करते हैं दो नंबर्स की, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 45 एंड 30, अब आप दोनों का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन अलग अलग निकालेंगे, राइट? 2 1s are 2 5s are, then 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Here it will be 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, then 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So as you all can see that 3 into 3 into 5, right? And here 2 into 3 into 5. Now what you have to do? You have to check for the common factors. तो अब आप ये नहीं कहेंगे कि इसमें भी 5 कॉमन है, इसमें भी 5 कॉमन है. यहाँ 3 भी कॉमन है, 5 के साथ साथ 3 भी कॉमन है. तो इन प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द नंबर्स विच आर कॉमन इन बोथ. तो एज यू ऑल कैन सी दैट 3 multiplied by 5 is common in both the numbers, in 45's prime factorization also and in the prime factorization of 35 also. So 3 multiplied by 5 is common in both and 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. So the HCF of 45 and 30 will be 15. Okay students. Now these are the this was the HCF of 45 and 30. Now I will be explaining you about the LCM. How to find out the LCM, that is lowest common factor. क्या निकालना है आपको? लोएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. So the lowest common, not lowest common factor, I am really sorry students, I am teaching you about LCM, so not factor. It will be lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. Sorry for the word factor. It is lowest common multiple. And LCM can be taken out of 2 or more than 2 numbers. There are 2 methods to find the LCM. ठीक है, इसके भी 2 methods हैं. पहला मेथड क्या होगा, आपको अगर किसी भी नंबर का आपको लोएस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल निकालना है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द लोएस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 एंड देन 12, दोनों का निकालना है. तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, द फर्स्ट थिंग विच यू हैव टू डू इज, पहले आप 3 के मल्टीपल्स लिखेंगे. 3, 6, 9 and then 12 and so on. Now we have to write all the multiples of 12. So 12, 24, 36, 48 and so on. Now what we have to find out, अब हमें क्या करना है, we have to list out the multiples of the given numbers and then choose the lowest common multiple out of them. अब इन दोनों में, इन इसके मल्टीपल्स में और इसके मल्टीपल्स में जो सबसे लोएस्ट हो और कॉमन भी हो. तो एज यू ऑल कैन सी दैट कि यहाँ पे आपका 12 जो है, यहाँ पे सबसे पहला है मल्टीपल 12 का, और 3 का 4th नंबर का जो मल्टीपल है 3 4 12, दैट इज़ 12. सो इट इज़ द लोएस्ट. हमें इसमें सबसे लोएस्ट नंबर को कंसिडर करना है. सो 12 विल बी द लोएस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 and 12. अगर आप इसको ऐसे सॉल्व करते हैं तो 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12 and then again 1 1s are 1. So 3 4s are 12. The answer will be the same only. Now I will take one more example, so please pay attention students. So students, now I will be explaining you about the second method. This method is more practical and widely used. This is more convenient method to find out the LCM. Now in this method what do? We take the given numbers and factorize them together, and by dividing it by the smallest possible number, जो मैंने आपको प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन एक्सप्लेन किया था, इट इज़ लाइक द सेम वे. तो अभी जैसे मैंने 3 और 6 का आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था, then 2, 3, 6, right, we have to find out the lowest common multiple of 3 and 6. तो आप इसको कैसे करेंगे, आप जैसा कि यहाँ चेक कर पा रहे हैं 3 और 6, आप इसको दोनों को डिवाइड करना है. तो 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. अब आप देख सकते हैं कि जो 2 है वो 3 की टेबल में नहीं आता, तो हमें 2 से डिवाइड करना होगा. 2 1s are 2. दिस यू हैव स्टडीड इन योर लोअर क्लासेस ऑल्सो. सो 3 2s are 6. सो 6 विल बी द LCM ऑफ 3 and 6. अब हम जैसे कोई और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं 15 and 30. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द LCM. सो 3 5s are 15, 3 10s are 30. तो अब जैसा कि आप देख पा रहे हैं, आप 5 और 10 दोनों के दोनों 5 की टेबल में आते हैं, तो मैं अब इसे 5 से डिवाइड करती हूँ. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. ना अगेन अब 2 बचा है. जब तक आपके नीचे दोनों 1 ना आ जाए, अगर 2 से ज़्यादा नंबर हो तो 3 1, अगर 4 हैं तो 4. सो 2 1s are 2. So this is how it will go on. Now the LCM will be 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. So 30 is the lowest common multiple of 15 and 30. Okay students, अगर मैं ऐसे लिखती तो 15 के मल्टीपल्स थे 15, 30, 45 और 30 का था क्या, 30, 60, 120. तो 30 it is the lowest common multiple of amongst 15 and 30. Now students, I will be solving some questions from the exercise, but before solving those questions I just wanted to tell you about the relationship between LCM and HCF. What is the relationship between LCM and HCF? So students, the product of two numbers is equals to the product of their LCM and HCF. जैसे कि आपको कोई दो नंबर दिए होंगे, the questions in the exams comes like that. For example, two numbers will be given to you. आपको उन दोनों नंबर्स का LCM दिया होगा एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द HCF. अब इसी फॉर्मूले से हम 3 फॉर्मूले निकालेंगे. A and B, let's suppose these are two numbers. Now A and B is given to you, LCM is also given to you. You have to find out the HCF. तो आपका HCF कैसे निकलेगा? A multiplied by B divided by LCM. हमें HCF नहीं पता है तो we have to find out that. So this is in multiplication. When it will go on the left hand side, it will be in divide. Okay students. Now what happened? अब आपको आपका HCF कैसे निकालना है पता चल गया. Again one more thing, अगर आपको HCF पता है और आपको LCM निकालना है तो आप जैसा कि देख पा रहे हैं HCF मल्टीप्लाई में है, तो जब वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जाएगा तो वो डिवाइड में आ जाएगा. सो इट विल बी लाइक दैट, A मल्टीप्लाइड बाय B अपॉन HCF इज इक्वल्स टू द LCM ऑफ द टू नंबर्स. अब आपको HCF कैसे निकालना है, LCM कैसे निकालना है पता चल गया. अब इसी सेम फॉर्मूले से आप A या B की वैल्यू भी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. इन चार में आपको तीन चीज़ें हमेशा दी होंगी. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द फोर्थ वन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ in A and B, let's suppose the value of A is given to you. You don't know what is the value of B. So to find out the value of B, the answer will be LCM multiplied by HCF, and this A is in multiplication, so it will go downwards and it will be in divide. Now if you want to find out the value of A, the same process will be followed. LCM multiplied by HCF upon B. Right? So this is how you can find out fourth thing if three things are given to you. Okay students. Now I am going to explain you about LCM, HCF and the relationship between HCF and LCM by the help of exercise. So I will be solving the exercise. It will be easier for you to understand. Please pay attention students. So find the LCM of the following. This is question number 1. It is having 4 options. So I will be solving option number B and option number D क्योंकि इसमें 4 numbers हैं. तो option number B says that 15, 30, 60 and 120. Now we have to find out the LCM, that means lowest common multiple of these 4 numbers. अब ये चारों नंबर एक साथ दिख रहे हैं आपको, ठीक है. तो अब ये चारों नंबर्स जैसा कि आप चेक कर पा रहे हैं, these all are divisible by 5. तो we will start by 5. तो 5 3s are 15, 5 6s are 30, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, then 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20. ठीक है, मैंने चारों नंबर्स को 5 से डिवाइड कर दिया. अब जैसा कि आप चेक कर पा रहे हैं, these all 4 numbers are divisible by 3. तो मैं 3 से डिवाइड करती हूँ. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 8s are 24. अब हमें एक 1 मिल गया. नाउ 2 4 8 ये आपका 2 से डिविजिबल है. इट इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 2. तो 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. अगेन वी ऑल कैन सी दैट 2 and 4 is divisible by 2. तो 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2. We have to complete this process until we are getting all the ones at the end. So this is the LCM of 15, 30, 60 and 120. Now we have to multiply these numbers. So the LCM will be 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So we all know that 5 2s are 10, then 10 3s are 30, 32s are 60, 62s are 120. So the LCM of these 4 numbers is 120. यानी कि जब आप 15 का टेबल लिख रहे हैं या 15 के मल्टीपल्स लिख रहे हैं, when you are writing the multiples of 30, 60 and 120, the lowest common multiple amongst all the 4 numbers will be 120. Okay students. Now I am going to explain you the fourth option, that is option number D. ये दोनों के दोनों options you are supposed to do in your maths classwork copy. So please make a note of it. Now the D option is 4, 12, 18, 20. 4, 12, 18, 20. Now as you all can see that all the numbers are divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. अब जैसे कि यहाँ पे आप चेक कर पा रहे हैं 2, 6 और 10 ये तीनों की तीनों 2 से डिविजिबल हैं पर 9 नहीं है. तो अगर बीच में ऐसा कोई नंबर मिल जाए जो डिविजिबल नहीं है, आप उसको छोड़ दीजिए वैसे ही. डोंट टच दैट नंबर. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. अब जैसे कि आप यहाँ देख पा रहे हैं 3 and 9 comes in the table of 3. So 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3 and then 5. क्योंकि 5 3 से डिविजिबल नहीं है तो वो ऐसे ही नोट डाउन कर दिया जाएगा नीचे. इट विल बी ड्रॉप डाउन. नाउ 3 1s are 3. अगेन 5 is left. अब हम 5 को करेंगे. 5 1s are 5. So finally we have got all the 4 ones at the end. Okay students, now we have to find out the LCM of these numbers. So the LCM of these numbers is 5 2s are 10, right? 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, and then 18 10s are 180. So the lowest common multiple amongst all these 4 numbers is 180, right students? Now the next question is of HCF. I will be explaining you about the HCF from exercise 4D and I will be solving only 2 options. बाकी के जो 2 option है you are supposed to do in your maths classwork homework copy. ठीक है? Okay students. Now I am going to solve question number 2, first option and fourth option. Here we have to find out the HCF. Then option number A is 10, 14 and 18. तो अब हमें 10, 14 और 18 का हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर निकालना है. क्या निकालना है? हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. तो जब आप हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर निकालेंगे तो फैक्टर्स ऑफ 10 आर, पहले आप 10 के फैक्टर्स लिखिए, राइट. 10 का फैक्टर्स जो होगा आपका होगा 1, 2, 5 एंड 10. Now factors of 14, 1, 2, 7, 14. Factors of 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Now as you all can see that 1 जो है वो तीनों में कॉमन है, but we have to find out the highest. So the highest is 2, क्योंकि 2 के अलावा तीनों में ऐसा कोई भी फैक्टर नहीं है जो कॉमन है. 1 है बट इट इज स्मॉलेस्ट. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट फॉर द हाईएस्ट वन. सो द हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ 10, 14 एंड 18 इज 2, राइट स्टूडेंट्स. इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट बाय अनदर मेथड दैट इज प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड, तो आप इसको ऐसे प्रोसीड करेंगे. 2 5s are 10 एंड देन 5 1s are 5 अगेन, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7. The next one will be 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and then 3 1s are 3. तो जैसा कि आप चेक कर पा रहे हैं 2 multiplied by 5, 2 multiplied by 7, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 2 is common in all the 3 prime factorizations. So 2 is the highest common factor of 10, 14 and 18. So students, now I am going to solve the fourth option of this question. Please pay attention. The fourth option is 24, 36, 48 and 60. Now we have to find out the HCF, highest common factor of these 4 numbers. तो पहले आप सभी नंबर्स के फैक्टर्स लिखिए. तो फैक्टर्स ऑफ 24 आर 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 12, 24, right? So these are the factors of 24. Now you have to write the factors of 36. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9 and 12, 36, right? These are the factors of 36. Now come to the number 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16 and 48, right? These are the factors of 48. Now we have to write the factors of 60. Factors of 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is divisible by 4 also. 4 1s are 4, 2 remainder, 4 5s are 20, right? Then 5, 6. Then after that it will be divisible by 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, then 15, and then 60, and 30 also. It is divisible by 30 also. Okay students. So I have written all the factors of all the four numbers. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the highest common factor. तो अब आप चेक करना शुरू करेंगे, ठीक है. तो as you all can see that 12 is the highest common factor. 12 आपका is exactly divisible by 24 also. It is exactly divisible by 36, 48 and 60. तो ये 12 आपका चारों नंबर में कॉमन है और सबसे बड़ा नंबर भी. इट इज़ हाईएस्ट ऑल्सो. राइट. नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन दिस टू यू बाय द अनदर मेथड, prime factorization method, in order to make the picture more clear. Okay. So as per the prime factorization method, you will find out the prime factorization of each number individually, which I am doing it for you on the board. Now 36, 2 18s are, 2 9s are, then 3 3s are 1, right. 48, 2 2s are, 2 4s are, then 2 12s are, 6s are, 3s are, and then 1s are. Now come to 60, 2 3s are, 0s are, 2 15s are, then 3 5s are, then 5 1s are. Now I have taken the prime factorization of all the four numbers. Now what we have to do? We have to check for the common. देखिए पहला 2 आप जैसा कि चेक कर सकते हैं सब में कॉमन है. Now check for the another number which is common in all the four. So as you all can see that this 3 is also common here. 3 आपका यहाँ भी कॉमन है and 3 आपका यहाँ भी कॉमन है, यहाँ भी कॉमन है. ठीक है. 3 यहाँ पे भी कॉमन है. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं 2 30 से 60, इसके बाद ये यहाँ पे आपका 2 है. ठीक है. 2 15 जा, देन 3 5 जा, देन 5 जा. ओके. तो आप देख रहे हैं 3 यहाँ पे भी कॉमन है. ओके. नाउ 2 and 3 is common. As you all can see that 2 is common here also, 2 is common here, 2 is common here, and then 2 is common here also. तो आपका 2 2s are 4 and then 4 3s are 12. That is common in all the four numbers. So 12 is the HCF or the highest common factor of these four numbers. Okay students. Now there are 3 questions left in this exercise. Question number 3, question number 4, question number 5. So you have to do those questions from the next video. I will be explaining those questions in my next video. अभी आज की वीडियो में बस आपको जो मैंने समझाया है, you have to write those questions in your classwork copy and the options which I have skipped, दो options मैंने skip किए हैं, you have to do those questions in your homework copy. If you are having any problem, any query, you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you students.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.